Hello, class. Today we're going to be looking at subtracting multi-digit numbers with regrouping. So regrouping is when we borrow, right? When we borrow. So here I have 1,521,000 minus 398,000. So we're going to write out all the digits. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. What happened? We had to borrow from the 12, right? So this becomes 11, and this becomes 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3. This becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. We borrow from here. This becomes a 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1, 1. So we end up getting 1,123,000. So we can always borrow. Okay, so we're going to start with number 1. So find each difference. Find each difference. When we see the word difference, remember, difference equals minus. Subtraction. All right, so we're going to borrow. Okay, so we're going to borrow 5,971 minus 2,386. We're going to borrow, right? We're going to borrow from the 7. We're going to borrow from the 7. This is going to become a 6. Right? And this will become 11. Right? So 11 minus 6, right, equals 5. Right, again, we have to borrow. So this turns into 8. This turns into 16. Right? So 16 minus 8, we get 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So we get 3,585. Right? So we have to borrow if the number is not big enough, right? So 5,971 minus 2,386. We get 3,585. Perfect. Number 2, we're going to borrow again. We have 97,631, 45,078. So 1 minus 8, is that doable? No, we can't. So we're going to borrow, right? This is going to become a 2. This is going to become a 1. Right? Let me write it better. We can just say this becomes 11, right? So 11 minus 8 equals 3. So that's 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 cannot, right? So we're going to borrow from the 6. So this is going to become a 5. This will become a 12. 12 minus 7, we get 5. 5 minus 0, we get 5. 7 minus 5, we get 2. 9 minus 4, we get 5. So we end up getting 52,553 from the answer. All right, so again, we're going to try number 3. Here we have 78,086 minus 6,497. So first number, 6 minus 7, right? We're going to have to borrow from the 8, right? So we're going to cross that out. Okay. So this is going to become 8 is going to become a 7. The 6 is going to become 16. 16 minus 7, we get 9. 7 minus 9, it's not possible, right? Not possible. So we can't borrow from the 0. We're going to borrow from here. This is going to turn into a 7. Right? This is going to turn into 17. 17 minus 9, we get 8. 0 minus 4, we also have to borrow here, right? This is going to become 9. Right? So 9 minus 4, we get 5. 7 minus 6, we get 1. Here we get 71,589. 71,589 is our answer. We end up getting 78,086. All right, next one. Number 4. Here we have 86,375 minus 6,986. So again, 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6. It's not possible, right? So we're going to borrow from the next number. All right, so that's going to turn into, this is going to turn into a 6. This is going to turn into 15. 15 minus 6, we get 15 minus 6, we get 9. 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8, not possible. So we're going to cross that out. We're going to turn this into a 2. So now we have 16 minus 8, we get 8. 2 minus 9, not possible. So we're going to borrow from the 6 here. We get a 5. This becomes 12. Right? 12 minus 9, we get 3. Again, 5 minus 6, not possible. We're going to borrow from here. So we get 7. 15 minus 6, we get 9. So we get 79,389. Right? 79,389. Right? So we always have to borrow. We're going to be doing a lot of borrowing. All right. Let's keep going. I want you guys to try this for homework. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to try for homework. Next part, again, it says find each difference, show your work, check your answer. So first one, we're going to write 543,610 minus 56,504. So we're going to write 543,610 minus 56,504. So 0 minus 4 cannot, right? We're going to borrow from the 1. Borrow from the 1. This is going to turn into 0. It's going to turn into 10. 10 minus 4, we get 6. 0 minus 0, we get 0. 6 minus 5, we get 1. All right, 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6, not possible, right? We're going to borrow. This becomes a 3. This becomes a 13. So 13 minus 6, we get 7. 3 minus 5 is not possible, so we're going to borrow. And this is going to turn into 13. 13 minus 5, we get 8. And then 4, we bring it down. So we end up getting 487,106 is our final answer. Okay, next one. We have 6,101 minus 5,050. 6,101 minus 5,050. All right, let's check it out. We're going to write it out. Okay, so first of all, 1 minus 0 is 1. We're going 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we're going to cross that out. We're going to borrow from the next number. It's going to be 0. It'll be 10. 10 minus 5, we get 5. 0 minus 0, we get 0. And then 0 minus 5 is not possible. 0 also minus 5 is not possible. 0 minus 5 is also not possible. So we cannot borrow. So we're going to turn all this 6 into a 5. Right? We're going to borrow. Borrow. This is going to turn into 5. And these will all turn into 9. 9. This turns into 10. So 10 minus 5, we get 5. And then 9, 9, 5. We get 5,995,051. As our final answer. All right, so how do we check our answer? Here it says, how do we check your answer? Check your answer, right? How do we check our answer? To check your answer, we can just use addition. We can add 487,106 plus 56,504. That's how we check our answer. We can use addition, the opposite of subtraction. So what we're going to write, the first one, 487,106 plus 56,504 equals 543,610. That's how we check our answer. Next one, we have 5,995,051 995,051 plus 5,050 equals 6,101,000. That's how we check our answer. We're going to add the answer and what we subtracted to check. So you're going to try number 3 and 4 for homework. Okay. Let's move on. So here we have mixed addition and subtraction. So how do we do mixed numbers, right? We're going to mix. So first, we always have to do, if there are 3 numbers, adding or subtracting, the numbers in the brackets are calculated first. The sum or difference is then used to calculate the sum or difference with the third number. So brackets are done first, okay? So let me show you, brackets are done first. Let's make a new one. Brackets are always done first. So if I do 1 plus 3 minus 2, okay. All right, here we do 1 plus 3 is 4, right? Minus 2 equals 2, right? So that's what we do. So what if I put brackets? 1 plus 3 minus 2 equals, we're going to put brackets here. We will do 1 plus 3 first, right? 1 plus 3, we get 4, right? 4 minus 2 equals 2. So what if we do something else? What if I write 1 plus 3 minus 2 with the brackets over 3 minus 2? So here we're going to do 1 plus 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So that's how we do it, right? These are called brackets. All right, brackets, right? Do inside the brackets first. Always do brackets first, right? Always do brackets first. Okay, always do brackets first, right? This is more important. All right, let me highlight it. All right, we're always going to do this part first. Brackets first. Always do brackets first. Okay, so we're going to do this real quick. 4 plus 3 minus 5. We're going to do 4 plus 3 first. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 5, we get 2. 10 minus 7, we get 3. 6 plus 3, we get 9. 9 plus 6, we get 15. 15 minus 8, we get 7. 25 plus 25, we get 50. 50 minus 30, we get 20. 15 plus 14, we get 29. 80 minus 29, we get 51. Okay, so make sure you do your brackets first. All right, let me highlight it. We're going to do 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. I think that's all we're going to leave it for today. Next time, I'll continue with mixed addition and subtraction. So let's try to do this for now. All right, so homework, just 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, and try 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10.